welcome to the stage, Dr. Michael Foley.
So we thought it was appropriate to come to Budapest for the 10th all-hands meeting because it's kind of symbolic of the original vision of Bluetooth and King Harold, how back in the 10th century the thought was, King Harold united the Danish countries, and Bluetooth would do a similar thing by uniting the personal computer and mobile phone industry. And about, not quite as long ago, but about 140 years ago, 1873, I believe, was the year, Budapest was two different cities divided by a river, but then joined together with a bridge and became one city. We continue to grow members. I think it's amazing testament to the organization and the technology that we now have over 14,000 members, and we still increase at a rate of 100 or more new members per month. We have the best in breed testing tools, qualification program, education program with Atlas, and of course the specifications themselves. And what's kind of the result of all of this? Well, a tremendous amount of products out there. There's probably 3 billion or so Bluetooth products in the market today. And that's something that we should all be very, very proud of. We want to retool, refocus the organization, relook at the markets, and determine how to create that second wave of excitement, that second wave of products out there, the new areas. And to do that, we're stopping the evolutionary type approach and really going to a disruptive approach. You've received a lot of mails from me about the BERB and BETS, the Bluetooth Ecosystem Review Board and the Bluetooth Ecosystem teams. And these teams are chartered with doing the background, talking to the industries, having a deep understanding of each of these industries, and developing the scenarios that the members in these industries want to go to market with. We've initially created 5 of these bets. The automotive and mobile phone, which you can think of as more in the established areas. And then the consumer electronic, personal computer, and health and fitness ones. These are ones that we have some presence in, but not clearly as much as we're going to have. So we're putting a laser focus on those areas so we can deliver the technology that those markets require. And then the more new or the more distant ones, which smart energy or smart home is the initial focus on. And we're also disrupting the Bluetooth SIG board of directors. We announced approximately a month ago that the board of directors is opening up 4 new seats. And the plan is to fill 2 of those this year and 2 of those next year, each one for a 2-year term. As we move forward, I think we need to look at the technology and what really are the key elements that we need to make it successful. The value proposition is that the technology, it's simple, secure, it's everywhere, it's Bluetooth. Not low energy, it's not high speed, it's Bluetooth. One last example where we have a huge amount of opportunity is in the digital living room. And we're in a position now to disrupt that environment, to really add value. What's going on next? Where's the innovation going? And this is an indoor positioning technology. You can see who's who.
Voila, I'm here.
Vision going.
This is a technology built on Bluetooth that we are proposing for standardization. We tried to look where Bluetooth could go, what could it do? Could it go further? Could it go closer? And could it give location? Bluetooth can give you really high accuracy indoor positioning. That's why we call this a high accuracy system.
We have the opportunity to ship 5 billion products in 2015. when you look at the opportunities available, it truly is feasible and possible. So with that, I'd like to thank our sponsors, everyone that took so much time to put the demos together that really has made this all-hands meeting possible. Nokia, Polar, and Casio this morning. And Frontline and Elysis, it's really with the help of the sponsors that we're able to put on such a great event. So thank you to our sponsors.